All right, St. Jude sent us some goodies. You ready to unbox the goodies that St. Jude sent us?
Yes.
All right, yes, let's do this. Let's see the package. Okay, there's the package. I need a stand for the camera. Oh. What do you know about St. Jude?
St. Jude.
St. Jude. St. Jude Research Hospital is located here in Memphis, and they do amazing work for families and children that suffer incurable diseases. Any family that gets treatment at St. Jude do not have to pay a bill. And so firstly, just medical bills are crazy. So this is amazing that families can actually go there and receive the treatment that is needed for them so that their little ones can get better. I can't even imagine if broke little roommate was sick. Even just on a normal day, if he's sick, it's hard for me. So I can't imagine what families that have these incurable diseases go through. So yay, St. Jude, we love you. We love the work that you are doing. So because of everything that St. Jude does, it is an honor for us to partner with them to spread awareness of the hospital, and that if you ever see anything that has to do with St. Jude and you have the opportunity to donate, please do so, because they're doing amazing work. Like, what is broke little roommate doing over there? All right, so let's get into opening up these goodies that were sent to us. Okay, Bud, you're supposed to come and help me open up. Come, let's see what St. Jude sent us. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, okay, it's a pretty box. We have a pretty box here. St. Jude. All right. Oh, okay. The end of childhood cancer starts here, and this is the little card that we got from them. And these are just a few facts that you should know about St. Jude, and I hope you don't mind. Let me just read them to you. Yes, the kid is not feeling well. You see? Yeah, the kid is at the hospital and he's going to feel better. St. Jude is going to help her feel better. Yes. What's the kid doing? Well, she has something in her nose because she can't breathe properly. You know when Tabo can't breathe? Yeah. Well, not do it now. All right, so your purchase to any of the gifts that are in this box goes towards helping St. Jude lead the way in understanding and treating and defeating childhood cancer and other life-threatening diseases. So anything that you buy from their store goes to either research or the treatment of these kids. Buddy, her name is Janelia. I think that's Janelia. Yes. You see? And that helps her breathe, because sometimes she can't breathe. Okay?
What's that?
It helps her breathe. All right, let's see what St. Jude sent us. All right. Ooh, look at this. So we got a t-shirt. Fancy. Yeah, you want to wear the t-shirt? Okay. All right, so got serious with the video filter and all of that. All right, so we got a t-shirt and it says St. Jude ending. Okay, I can't read. Oh.
I don't like.
Oh, finding. Monday, can you read? St. Jude, finding cures and saving children. Oh, yes, they are. Yes. And Buddy said he wanted to wear the t-shirt.
I don't like it.
You don't want to wear the t-shirt anymore? Okay. Okay, then. That's fine. All right, so next up, we have this cool hat. This is cool because guess what? It doesn't have the back, and that's perfect because sometimes I like to wear my hair curly. And so when I have to put the hat on, it's like bunching up. So this is like perfect. Okay, but not now, but yeah, oh my God, this is like so cool. What do you think? What do you think, buddy? You want to try it on? Here.
I don't feel well.
Buddy, you don't feel well?
Yes.
You want to go to St. Jude because you don't feel well?
Yes.
Oh, look, let's see. Come, you have to come closer. Look, is that Tabo?
I don't feel well.
Okay, he doesn't feel well. All right, and the last thing that we have, well, I don't know, is it the last thing? No, it's not the last thing. We have this stainless steel thermal bottle. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, yes, because right now the thing for me is ice water. I've been drinking a lot of ice water. I know maybe it's not good for me, but yeah, this would be perfect to keep my ice water. Okay, we just lost broke little roommate. Bear with me. Oh, he just ran away with one of the packages, one of the gifts. All right. Okay, so next is this, and I'm just gonna read. Buddy, where is? Go bring it. Go bring the thing. Okay, this is a ballpoint. Oops, upside down. This is a ballpoint pen. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, yes. That is fancy. I can never have enough pens in the house. So, okay, so we have that. And what is next? Okay, so we have this over here. Let me see. This is a leather mini journal. Okay, and listen, I am bona fide collector of journals. This is what that looks like. I love it. Okay, and then broke little roommate ran away with this. I don't know where he was taking it, but yeah, this is just the crocodile print accessory bag. Cute. So yeah, that is what that looks like. All right, so I think that is the box. Now, everything that has been sent to me is available for purchase in the St. Jude gift store, and I will put that information in below. But yes, so every dollar amount that goes to St. Jude that's either donated or that you purchase in form of gifts and all of that, every dollar goes to help the hospital out. I don't know if I mentioned earlier that any child or family that gets treatment at St. Jude does not pay a bill. So imagine the amount of medical bills that can be accumulated during cancer treatment and other diseases. It's a lot. And so by donating, you're actually helping them to cover that. So please find it in your heart to give or buy a cool gift. Buy one of these cool gifts. You don't need to go to the doctor. Where do you need to go? We need to talk about St. Jude, buddy.
I'm not feeling well.
Oh, he's not feeling well.
No, Mama.
Oh, I'm not feeling well. Okay, let's read this. So treatments invested at St. Jude have helped push childhood cancer survival rates from 20% to 80%.
Mama.
And they say we will not stop until no child dies from cancer.
What's that?
So please consider donating. If you would love something for your donation, please go ahead and buy something from the gift store so you actually have something something that you can actually use, and that money goes towards treatments, research, and everything that's needed to help these children and their families. All right, so I hope you found or you were eyeing one of these gifts So
Mama, what
definitely
is he
visit the
doing?
store. I have the link. I have the link
Mommy.
there.
He's doing.
Yes, the kid. All right, buddy. Do you want to say thank you so much? Say thank you so
What's
much.
that
You have to
there?
say thank you to the people.
What's up in his nose?
Can't breathe. So she has a tube that's helping her breathe. All right. Say bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you later. Bye. Just a note, I will also be doing a giveaway for one of the items that you saw in this video. So for you to qualify for this giveaway, you have to be in the US, unfortunately. But to qualify, be sure to like, comment, and let me know which of these gifts you would love to have. And then I'm going to pick maybe a few winners and I will ship those gifts to you. So get on it, like, comment.